Hello everyone, I'm Smita
I'm Mahesh.
and we are here to talk about Akshay. We came to know about Akshay through a WhatsApp group being circulated in my son's school group.
I was really confused about my future and regarding what career and what stream I had to choose.
I have worked around 3-4 years in different industries, but because I was not satisfied with the type of work I was doing,
I was pursuing company secretary, which I was not happy studying it. Most of the time I was stressed up, and some of the times I also got depressed.
My inclination is towards more of a research interest.
I feel every youngster at this particular stage of life needs a proper guidance to find out the direction for their life, to find out the guidance on subject selection, stream selection for their future career.
From my experience, I have observed one cool thing, that career counseling is really an important aspect in a student's life.
I'm very glad that I attended the webinar conducted by him. It was so much full of information.
He is a senior project manager at IIT Bombay, and he really helped me a lot in clearing my doubts, as well as also he boosted up my confidence level, which was really got low when I was studying company secretary.
So he suggested me to explore a program which every B school, every IIM offers.
so finally I came across Akshay Career Counseling course. So here initially it started with psychological test, psychometric test, where I get a proper analysis of which kind of psychology, which kind of traits I have.
He suggested me that I should pursue design and architecture. I just wanted to share my experience with Akshay sir. He's a senior project manager at IIT Bombay, and he has really helped me in clearing out the mess in my head and my confusion.
Since my son didn't know what to do in future, we approached Akshay for the career counseling. He was so patient with my son and spent time discussing with him about his fears, his favorite subjects, and equally spent time with us understanding us.
Exactly, that's what I got from Akshay. My daughter has an inclination study in a particular field, and Akshay helped us to find out what all the subjects will be good for her to pursue her career in that particular field, and what all the subject selection and the curriculum will be good for pursuing her dream of studying abroad.
But the exact way which I was looking for, I got it with Akshay Jalan, who is also a project head in IIT Bombay. His ways of doing the career counseling is truly absolutely transformational.
I was very much impressed by his sincerity and his patience to take time and get into the nitty-gritty of it and explain to us and the child and our son exactly what is important for a career.
The actual option he discovered to me was the one I never thought that actually exists, and that was the fashion management, fashion luxury management. And when he discovered that option to me, I was really happy because that just clicked. I knew that was I was looking for, and that's what I want to do in my life.
All I wanted to do is share my experience with him, and it has been wonderful and great. And I suggest all of you to please enroll for his class, because this has been really helpful for me, and it will be for you too.